Life is a game. And just like in chess, the ones who think ahead always win. The difference? In real life, the game isn't played on a board, it's played in your mind. Today, I'm going to teach you how to play mind games in real life. Not in a manipulative way, but in a way that gives you the upper hand. If you've ever felt like people take advantage of you, underestimate you, or don't take you seriously, this video is for you. Let's dive in. 1. The art of silence. Why the smart-assed people speak less. Ever noticed how the most powerful people don't talk too much? They let others speak first. Here's why. When you talk less, people reveal more. When you pause before answering, it makes others feel uncertain. When you stay quiet, you create mystery, and mystery equals power. In a debate, an argument, or even a negotiation, silence is your secret weapon. Try this today. The next time someone expects you to react, pause for 3 seconds. Watch how they start over-explaining themselves. 2. The mirror effect. People like people who are like them. Want people to trust you instantly? Mirror them. If they speak fast, you speak fast. If they use hand gestures, you use hand gestures. If they lean in, you lean in. This is called mirroring, and it's a psychological trick that makes people feel like you get them. FBI agents use this trick in interrogations. Top salesmen use it to sell millions. You can use it to make people instantly like and trust you. Try this today. Next time you talk to someone, subtly copy their energy. You'll be shocked at how well they respond. 3. The power of controlled emotion. How Cristiano Ronaldo wins off the field. Weak people react. Strong people control. When someone insults you, tries to make you jealous, or plays games with you, the moment you react, you lose. Look at Cristiano Ronaldo. He doesn't let emotions control him. He uses hate as fuel. So next time someone tries to push your buttons, smile, stay calm, and let them wonder why they can't break you. 4. Reverse psychology. How Muhammad Ali beat his opponents before the fight. Muhammad Ali didn't just win fights with his fists, he won them before the match even started. How? By using reverse psychology. He made his opponents angry. He made them overconfident. He made them emotional, so they lost focus. And guess what? It worked. When people are too emotional, they make mistakes. So if you want to win, make them emotional while you stay logical. 5. The law of indifference. The one trick that makes you instantly attractive. The less you care, the more power you have. Think about it. The more you chase someone, the more they pull away. The more desperate you seem, the less respect you get. The moment you stop caring too much, people start chasing you. This works in relationships, business, and life. The key is to be present, but not desperate. Try this today. The next time someone ignores you or tests you, act like it doesn't bother you. That's when they'll start paying attention. So let's recap. If you want to win the mind game in real life, start using these 5 tricks. Silence is power. Let others reveal more than they should. Mirroring builds trust, copy, and people will like you. Control your emotions. The calmer you are, the stronger you look. Use reverse psychology. Make others emotional while you stay logical. Indifference is attractive. The less you care, the more people chase you. The world is full of games. The question is, are you playing or are you being played? If you found this helpful, hit like, subscribe for more, and drop a comment. Which of these mind tricks will you use first?